All right, our practice. So we're going to write our inequalities for the following statements, and then we're going to graph them. First one, Bill needs at least 1 pound of apples, A, to make the pies. All right, so first of all, A for apples. And then we have, he needs at least 1 pound, so 1 pound here. He needs at least 1 pound, so he can have 1 pound, but he needs at least 1 pound, so he needs more or equal to. So he needs greater than or equal to 1 pound. So our symbol, A, is going to be that greater than, or it can be equal to 1 pound. Since we have greater than or equal to, remember, if we have less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, or equal to, it would be a closed circle. That little extra equal to on the bottom means we need to do extra and shade it in. Less than, greater than, or not equal to is going to be an open circle, so we don't have anything extra. So we are going to have a closed circle on that positive 1. So we have that closed circle on 1. And the way the arrow is pointing, or you can take a look at A as anything bigger than or equal to. It'll be anything to the right of that circle. Let's take a look at this next one down here. Amy sold at least 3 bicycles yesterday. So Amy sold at least 3 bicycles. So bicycles, 3. So Amy sold at least 3 bicycles. So she sold at least 3 bicycles, so she could have sold 3, but she could also have sold more. So greater than or equal to 3. Not less than that, at least. So 3 or more. So we're going to have, again, that closed circle at 3. Okay, there we go. Ooh, perfect. We're going to have that closed circle at 3, and then anything greater than, so anything to the right, greater than or equal to 3. Let's take a look over here. In a game, Mary M scored more than 18 points. So here we have Mary, and we have 18 points. She scored just more than. So not equal to, more than. So it's got to be greater than 18 points. So we are going to have an open circle here at positive 18. And it has to be shaded anything more than 18, so it's going to be anything to the right. Anything to the right. All right, Beth bought less than 6 8/10 pounds of cheese, C. So we have our cheese, we have 6.8 pounds. She bought less than that. So the cheese, she bought less than that. So we're going to have an open circle at 6 8/10. And we are going to shade anything to the left because anything less than that. Maybe she didn't buy that cheese at all, so it could have been 0. Maybe she had a return cheese, so then it'd be in the negative. So we can put anything less than that. And that's going to be it for our practice. I know it's a little bit tricky. Don't stress. Watch this video again if you need more help or want to do it again. Go through it, pause it, play it, whatever you need to do. And great job!